Scapegoats in the asylum mind. I protect the little bird, my brain. My innocent flower against the ravages of the encroaching vultures of experience from the world outside. Look up to the birds in the brain. They are scapegoats from the sane, the oppression of the sane. Keep away oppression of sane. Keep away oppression of sane. Outside influences getting into the brain, distorting, polluting, infecting the brain, losing innocence to the outside world. Blinding the third eye, blinding the mind, absorbing all thoughts, taking over. That's what happens when you let outside influences into your brain. Protect the bird inside your brain. Protect the bird. The bird inside your brain, that's you. It needs to fly. It needs to escape. It needs to become insanity will ruin your life. There's no point trying to change the outside world. It will never change, but you can change your inner world and be free that way and get out of the insanity that's called sanity. Get out of the insanity that's called sanity. Be a bird, be a brain, be a bird, be a brain. Be the bird in your brain in the bird in the brain. That's you in your brain. Protection, you need protection. You need detachment, you need escape. Escape the brain, escape the mind, escape the brain when it's been invaded by the outside. Escape the mind when it's out invaded. The mind's been invaded by the shaman of savagery. The rule out there.